Hello, I'm Chelsea Brady from Putty Pad Designs. I'm going to show you how to make this adorable needle felted apple. Before we begin, you'll want to gather your supplies. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot. Beginning with the core wool, make a round ball about 3 inches in diameter. I like to use the multi-tool for the beginning stages because it goes a little bit faster. The more you stab, the firmer your apple will be. Try to be as precise as possible to get the apple looking like an apple before even adding any dyed wool. Once you're happy with the shape, you can begin to add colored wool. I like to begin at the top, adding a layer of really bright green. This will mostly be covered up by the red, but little bits of it will peek through, which makes the finished apple look more realistic. In addition to the really bright green, I like to add this chartreuse color as well. Now it's time to add the red. I like the fibers to go down the sides of the apple. Again, it just helps to make it look a little bit more realistic. For your information, I'm using merino wool, which is very, very soft. Typically, coarser wools are used for needle felting, but I really love the finish of merino. Keep adding some red until all of the core wool is covered. I also add a little bit more of the green colors. With the brown wool, roll a tight tube. This will be the stem. Felting is the process of entangling wool together. With needle felting, we use a sharp needle that has barbs at the end, which entangles the wool. I am also adding friction by rubbing it between my hands. If there are any stray fibers, you can use some scissors or some clippers to trim those. Position the stem where you want it on the apple, and then use your felting needles to secure it into place. I thought my apple could use a little bit more of the chartreuse color. Use a basic green color to make a simple leaf shape. Again, you can rub it between your hands to add some friction and to flatten the leaf. Trim off any flyaways. Fold the leaf in half and position it onto your apple using your felting needle secured into place. These apples are awesome to use in home decor projects or even as newborn photography props. Check out chelseabrady.com for more ideas.